In the vast expanses of the world's mountain ranges, a single misstep or wrong turn can lead to a hiker's worst nightmare. Lost, alone, and at the mercy of the elements, every second counts when it comes to their survival. Traditional search and rescue operations are often hampered by difficult terrains, unpredictable weather, and the time-sensitive nature of these situations. Enter the future of search and rescue operations: drones. Not just any drones, but specially designed, life-saving, water bottle-delivering drones. These advanced machines have the potential to revolutionize how we conduct search and rescue missions in the mountains, drastically improving efficiency and effectiveness. So, how does this work? Picture a drone equipped with advanced GPS and infrared technology. Upon receiving a distress signal, these drones can be deployed immediately, bypassing the challenges of tough terrains and weather conditions. They fly at impressive speeds, covering vast areas in a short time frame. Their infrared cameras scan the environment, picking up heat signatures of lost hikers. Once a hiker is located, the drone doesn't just relay the information back to the rescue team. No, it goes a step further. It delivers a water bottle to the stranded hiker, providing immediate relief and potentially life-saving hydration. Now imagine a fleet of these drones, systematically scanning every inch of the mountainside. Not only would this expedite the search process, but it would also ensure no stone is left unturned, no hiker left unaccounted for. What makes this solution even more appealing is its scalability. Whether it's a single lost hiker or a group stranded by an unexpected storm, these drones can adapt to the situation. They can work individually or as a coordinated fleet, maximizing efficiency and effectiveness. So, to summarize, the problem at hand is the inefficiency and limitations of traditional mountain search and rescue operations. The proposed solution is the implementation of advanced water bottle delivering drones. This innovative approach not only speeds up the search process, but also provides immediate assistance to the lost hiker, drastically improving their chances of survival. In a world where technology is constantly pushing boundaries, these drones stand as a testament to how innovation can directly impact and improve human lives. They hold the promise of a future where no hiker is left behind, where every distress call is met with immediate action and assistance. In the end, it's not just about the technology. It's about the lives that can be saved, the families that can be kept intact, and the adventures that can continue. It's about turning the tide in the face of adversity, one drone, one water bottle, one rescue at a time.